RV, this is NASA 2. You are go for internal power and bit on your mark.
Actuator bit on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. I show good bit. Fin sweep now.
Attention all stations, we'll be at L-1 on my mark. 4, 3, 2, 1, mark. 1 minute.
T-minus 1 minute, T-minus 1 minute.
008, you've got arm switch and light.
System is armed, I have the lights.
NASA 2, systems has navigate.
NASA 2, this is LVS. LV is on condition, fin sweep is nominal, we are go for launch.
Thirty seconds. And all stations, we are a go for launch at this time. Ten seconds. Launch on my mark.
Roger.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch.
Sequencer reset.
It launched.
Ignition.
Ignition.
Guidance on, we are supersonic.
Supersonic.
Attitudes remain nominal. Motor pressure is nominal. Attitude is nominal.
Clear the bomber.
We have 2-1 on, we are through Mach 3.
We are past Mach 3. Attitudes are nominal.
We are negative alpha.
We are negative alpha at this point.
Attitude is nominal.
Attitude is nominal.
T alpha. PSS disable.
Got burnout.
Ready to SEP.
Ready to SEP.
SEP.
Separation.
Separation.
Cal open.
Cowl is open.
Fuel on.
Fuel is on.
RV is stable.
RV is stable at this time.
Fuel off.
Fuel is off.
PID is active.
PID is active.
PID is complete and Cal is closed.
PID complete. Cowl closed. 10 seconds. Launch on my mark.
Roger.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch, launch, launch.
Sequencer reset.
It launched.
Ignition.
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 Guidance on. We are supersonic.
Supersonic.
Attitudes remain nominal. Motor pressure is nominal. Attitude is nominal.
Clear the bomber.
We have coolant on. We are through Mach 3.
We are past Mach 3. Attitudes are nominal.
We are negative alpha.
We are negative alpha at this point.
Attitude is nominal.
Attitude is nominal.
T alpha. PSS disable.
Yeah, burnout.
Ready to set.
Ready to set.
SAP.
Separation.
Separation.
Cal open.
Cowl is open.
Fuel on.
Fuel is on.
RV is stable.
RV is stable at this time.
Fuel off.
Fuel is off.
Cal closed. And that's to the Soviets. We saw those tongues. Good destruct on the booster. Good tones.
Mach 9.2.
Well, Graf, it was obvious from the reaction from the ground controllers here that they think we had a successful flight. Now, what can you safely tell us?
Well, if I can find my voice, Keith, I'll try and explain what we just saw. It was an absolutely tremendous experience. We had a beautiful boost, separated cleanly. Research vehicle was absolutely rock solid, stable. Fuel came on as expected and off. All indications now we had a successful experiment. One thing I should let people know is that as the research vehicle goes over the horizon, we will begin to lose data. We expect that. That is absolutely nominal. And we are acquiring data on the P3 Orion downrange as we speak, and that data will be available for researchers. I cannot hardly explain my excitement at this point, and it's absolutely overwhelming to see this come to conclusion.
Now, very soon we hope to have video of the actual separation taken from the nose of the booster rocket at separation. Meanwhile, what are we seeing here in the state of visualization? We're back actually to the live mission now, right?
That's correct. We are going down through Mach 8. We will do what's called a parameter identification maneuver at about every Mach number. There you see the vehicle moving in a pre-described manner. Allows us to better identify the forces and moments on the research vehicle at hypersonic speeds. This thing's flying at Mach 8 still. And we're continuing to acquire data as we continue downstream into the ocean for final splashdown.
So this is an important secondary research objective to get data on aerodynamics of flying a vehicle shaped like this at these speeds after the apparently successful test of the scramjet engine.
Absolutely, Keith. These are very important maneuvers that allow us to better understand the aerodynamics of these hypersonic vehicles and this very thin, slender shape as it continues to cruise down, and we are heading down quickly to Mach 7. It takes about 10 minutes, actually, to get back down to the ocean as we continue our descent. And still in very controlled, stable flight of the research vehicle. Obviously, all systems are performing as expected.
Good bit.
RV, this is NASA 2. You are go for internal power and bit on your mark.
Actuator bit on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. I shall